What's up, everybody? If you're looking for an affordable pump that's going to do its job, you may want to take a look at this Jeflike sump pump. Its water draining capacity is 2,450 gallons per hour. It's got a 360-degree water absorption base, and it's one of the better ones, in my opinion, that I've tried for the price. It also comes with 2 universal hose adapters. So whether you're pulling water up or you want to use this as a water fountain, stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how awesome this Jeflike, a 3rd horsepower water pump, works. This is an SP400. We got this because of, well, removing water from our waterfall, and as well as removing swim spa water, and sometimes we're going to place it mostly at the very bottom, and we're going to have it enabled on a smart switch. But I want to show you how quick and powerful this is. This removes about 2,450 gallons per hour. You have 2 additional connectors here with clamp and O-rings. These O-rings obviously go underneath here. You're gonna put this in, and then we're going to attach this over here. You don't need any special keys or anything. Now it's gonna suck from underneath here. But this is nice because it's super flat, so you can place this pretty much on any surface and it's gonna suck the water out. Now this one goes over this, and if we had the opposite end, we would use this one. All right, so this is all ready. The other end, we're gonna put wherever we're draining the water. So in our case, we're just gonna put it behind there, and then the water is gonna trickle down to the sewer. Just so you're aware, there is no actual on-off switch. So as soon as you plug this in, the pump's gonna turn on. This is why it's good to have like a smart switch that you can enable with your phone, or even just like manually. All right, so let's place this in and see how heavy it is. It's actually gonna sink to the bottom, but even though it's heavy, you can see that it's still moving around. So we're gonna put it basically against the corner. All right. And there it goes. So we're gonna see how quickly this drains, but you can see it's pumping out quite a lot of water very quickly. So we're gonna let that do its thing and see how quickly that basically drains. It is absolutely silent. Alright, so you can hear this. Let's place it over here. In our case, we don't have a drop, so the water is still coming in and getting circled out. Alright, so it stopped. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so I plug this in, and we'll see how far up it shoots. So if you want a water fountain, you can use that. And then if we put a connector on, it's going to go even higher. You see that? It's going even higher. So there you have it. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching.